Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by opening Settings and ensuring you have a live connection. This lets menus load immediately. Tap Connections or Network and Internet right away so you don't waste time. If prompted, unlock with PIN or biometrics. The system requires an active profile to show mobile data controls. Once done, look for data usage or mobile data usage in that panel. These are the actual controls that contain Data Saver, and we're moving there now to change the system. Now that you're in data usage, tap Data Saver to reveal the toggle and the app exception list. This is where the saving logic lives. You should see a global switch labeled Data Saver and a list of apps allowed to use unrestricted data. Tap the app list if you need specific exceptions. Toggling them ensures important apps still sync. If your phone organizes menus differently, use the magnifying glass in Settings, type Data Saver, and jump directly to the same controls. Flip the Global Data Saver toggle off. You'll immediately restore background data for most apps. Make sure to check the app exceptions. Set critical apps to allowed so they resume syncing. Once switched off, reboot the phone to clear any residual throttling and verify notifications and background sync are back to normal. If the toggle won't change, reset network settings from System Reset options. That fixes permission locks without wiping personal files. If problems continue, contact carrier support for account-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.